Hey guys, another little video on how to use your Google Apps for Education suite. This is going to be on all the items you have available for you in your Google account. When you log into your computer, if you're on a computer, you'll do it this way. Remember, it's your username, first initial, last initial, ID number. I'm going to go ahead and put my information here, and then the password you'll have created hopefully after tomorrow, Wednesday. So we'll get that taken care of for you. So once you've got that done, let me control this. Totally forgot. My bad. Sorry. So as you come in, and again, remember, this is going to take a little while for the login for a Windows PC. It's going to be a lot faster on the Chromebooks you guys do get to use as time goes on. So once the teachers get that established, you'll use those and they'll boot right up. They're pretty cool little machines. So once you're logged in, if you've got Google Chrome down here on the bottom, go ahead and open that. If not, if you click on Start, All Programs, you should see Google Chrome right there. Left click it, and there it is. So whichever way is available to you, go ahead and knock that out. Okay, I'm going to close these items out. Don't need them open. You're going to come to the Google login screen. So to sign up for Chrome. If you've been doing this the last few years, you should have the same account you've had in the past. Again, it's your initials, and I'm going to do this like I'm a student. So your initials ID number at aldine-isd.org. That is the Google login for y'all. Now I'm just going to make up a password right here. So again, it's going to be your initials, ID number at aldine-isd.org. That's how it's going to be set up for y'all. Now teachers have it different. We're going to put in whatever our account numbers are, and we're aldine-isd.org. So whenever you email a teacher with an assignment or whatever the case may be, that's what you're going to look out for those individuals. So let me go ahead and log into mine. So once you do that, you'll come up with this screen here. If you've already got a Aldine Google account, you're going to click on Link Data. That way your information pops up as it always has. If you're a brand new student to Aldine, you're going to click on Create New Profile, and it'll bring you into all the stuff you've got. You'll click OK, got it, probably twice. Click down here in the window, white somewhere, and this is how you know you're in. You'll see Mail right there. You'll see your account up here on the right. I've got my image there, so you can get that set up the way you want to. You'll see, and of course I'm going to get a bunch of junk here, so y'all ignore that I stuck. Go ahead and click on Mail when you come in, and it'll open up your Aldine email. Let me come back to that and get rid of all this other junk. So that's what you'll get. Now, once you're in, and again, I apologize for this, guys. Once you're in, you're going to notice up here in the top right, this grid of 9 boxes. That's the app launcher. I recommend opening up at least 4 to 5 items that you're going to be using a lot. Mail, of course, you definitely want that open. Definitely open Google Drive, because that's going to be your documents. If your teacher has you use Google Classroom or Schoology, a lot of your documents will be inside folders. Like you'll notice I've got a ton of stuff because all the stuff that I do. But you'll have one for Classroom, you'll have one with a teacher's name, whatever the case may be, however they ask you to do that. Another one you may want to get is, once this opens up here, let me actually go to Drive for that. So come back to the app launcher. I would also open up Google Calendar. So if your teacher starts sending you assignments through this, or events such as open house, or you may have access to some of the things they want you to do, maybe a parent conference or whatever the case may be, you'll be able to see that there. So again, you definitely want Mail open, you want Drive open, you want Calendar open. Come back to the app launcher again. You guys, all teachers and all students, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see YouTube right there. You guys have a YouTube channel. Okay, wrong one, sorry there. Let me keep closing all this out. Again, sorry about that. But in here, go ahead and click on YouTube. I know there's a couple of teachers around that have you guys do video content. So whatever you do in either a spreadsheet or any kind of a software that has you do WeVideo, Movie Maker, whatever they wind up using, whether it's the computer or your iPhone or Android, which are great to use, by the way, you're going to have your own YouTube channel to get stuff done. So again, Mail, Drive, Calendar, YouTube. I'm going to recommend, because I actually use this. This is how I'll be communicating with you guys. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, another one is Classroom. So if you click on Classroom, that's just kind of a Schoology type learning management system. This is actually mine. So I'll have you guys in these 5 groups. And what happens there is, and plus my tech club, I'll communicate with y'all through this. So if I open one up, I will put y'all in here. I'll give y'all a code, and then y'all just start streaming. I'll give y'all assignments. I'll show you videos. It's just a really cool thing to do. So once you establish the ones that you want up here, here's what I would do. If you right-click each of these open tabs, come down here to about the middle where it says Pen tab. Do that for each one of them. And what that's going to do is whenever you log into your Google account, these will open up automatically. So you don't have to go back to the app launcher and open them up every single time. So whenever you log into your account, these will always be open and ready to go. So again, those are the ones I recommend. Your Mail, Google Drive for all your documents, Calendar for any announcements or events coming up. It's up to you, but if you want to communicate with me, I'll be using Classroom and YouTube for any video content you guys create as time goes on. There's also a bunch of others. I mean, take your time, go through it. If you want to add something else, if you want slides, docs, sheets, they're available as a pen tab. That's fine, but it's going to be in Drive as well. Any photos you take, you can upload in your photos. I believe that's open for students. I know Google Plus is not. So I could be wrong, but it may not be. But the other things there, I have access to admin, teachers do too, you guys do not. So again, just those few items you want to put up here, and that'll get you through whatever it is you need to get done in your Google account. So I'm hoping that it helps you guys out. If you have any questions as to how to use any of this, how to pin the tabs, just recheck this video and it'll help you out. Other than that, any questions you may have, shoot me a line and email me, and I'll get y'all all taken care of. Thank you.